While everyone is talking about inverter technology today, millions of homes still use the classic non-inverter air conditioner. But what exactly makes it non-inverter? Why does it consume more power than modern units? In this video, we will break down the mechanics of the fixed-speed compressor and why it operates differently from an inverter system. The working principle, the on-off logic. The biggest characteristic of a non-inverter AC is its compressor motor. A non-inverter compressor runs at one fixed speed. It only has two states, 100% running or completely off. Think of it like a light bulb, it's either on or it's off. It cannot run at 50% or 70% capacity. The cooling cycle, temperature swings. Here is how a non-inverter AC controls your room temperature. 1. You set the AC to 24 degrees Celsius. 2. The compressor starts and runs at full power until the room reaches 24 degrees Celsius. 3. Once the sensors detect the room is cool, the compressor shuts down completely. 4. The fan keeps running, but there is no cooling happening. 5. When the room temperature rises back up to 26 degrees Celsius, the compressor kicks back in with a massive surge of electricity to start cooling again. Why does it consume more electricity? As a technician, you know that the most power is consumed during the startup phase. Because a non-inverter AC stops and starts many times an hour, it creates multiple current spikes. Also, because it only runs at 100% speed, it uses full power even if the room only needs a small amount of cooling to maintain the temperature. This is why non-inverter units are less energy efficient compared to inverter units. Advantages and amp. Disadvantages. Even though they use more power, non-inverter ACs have some benefits. Lower initial cost. They are much cheaper to buy than inverter models. Cheaper repairs. The PCBs are simpler and much less expensive to replace or repair. Durability. Because they have less complex electronics, they can sometimes handle rough voltage better, though a stabilizer is still recommended. The main disadvantage? Higher electricity bills and more noise, as the compressor makes a loud sound every time it starts. Conclusion. In summary, a non-inverter AC is a fixed-speed machine that works on an on-off cycle. It is a reliable, budget-friendly option for the short term, but more expensive for your monthly bills. If you found this technical comparison useful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to HVAC official channel.